Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Freezing your credit card through an app is one of the quickest ways to protect yourself from unauthorized purchases, and honestly, it takes just a few seconds. Step 1. Open your bank's mobile app and look for the cards section, usually found at the bottom or top menu. You'll see all your active cards listed there. Once you locate your credit card, tap on it to see the card details and options. Step 2. Look for a lock icon or a settings button next to your card. Most banks in 2026 have made this super intuitive. You'll see options like freeze, lock, or temporarily disable card. This menu is designed to be easy to find so you can act fast if needed. Step 3. Tap the freeze or lock option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to freeze the card. Read the message carefully because it will explain what happens when your card is frozen. Step 4. Confirm your action by tapping yes or approve. Some apps might ask you to authenticate using face recognition or a PIN code for security purposes. This extra step protects against someone freezing your card without permission. Step 5. You'll immediately see a confirmation message stating your card is now frozen. The app will show a frozen status next to your card name. Remember, when a card is frozen, merchants cannot charge it, but pending transactions might still go through. To unfreeze, simply repeat these steps and select unfreeze instead.